Looking for thrills in Dubai or Abu Dhabi? From record-breaking roller coasters to world-famous theme parks, your UAE adventure starts here. Explore the best indoor attractions, family rides, action zones, and movie-themed adventures, all hand-picked for your perfect trip. Or sail the coastline with Dubai's top boat rides, yacht sightseeing tours, and sunset cruises. Stunning views, unforgettable moments. Cool off at the UAE's iconic water parks. Big slides, lazy rivers, wave pools. Experience the world's best water park thrills. Snow in the desert? Only in Dubai. Ski, sled, or meet the penguins at the Middle East's largest indoor snow park. Prefer comfort? Enjoy luxury buses, guided city tours, and gourmet dining experiences with panoramic views. Plus, Burj Khalifa, Museum of the Future, Dubai Frame, and every must-see attraction, official tickets, all in one place. At book-dubai.com, planning your trip is effortless. Browse, compare, and book in seconds. Instant confirmation, secure checkout, free cancellation on most activities, and mobile e-tickets sent straight to you. Your UAE experience, simplified. Visit book-dubai.com and book your next adventure today.